Hi everyone, welcome back to Grow Kit. So another quick episode today on sowing cucumber seeds. I've got two varieties today. I've got Marketmore 76 and cucumber crystal apple. The crystal apple is quite a unique, quite a good variety, I think. It produces round cucumbers. They're quite unusual, so they should be pretty good to grow. They're quite tasty. So anyway, I'll turn the camera around and we'll get cracking sowing the seeds. Alright then guys, so I'm just going to sow these ones at the moment. It's Marketmore 76. This is a good outdoor slicing variety. So all I'm going to do is, same as usual, fill the pot up with compost. Leave about an inch from the top. Level it off. Firm it down gently. Make sure it's all level. And the seeds come in this little packet here. So there's the cucumber seeds. See, they're quite big, quite easy to handle, quite big seeds. Oval shaped. So all I'm going to do with these guys, I'm going to place them on the surface of the compost. I'm going to make sure they're spaced out quite well. Leave about an inch in between each one. Doesn't have to be exact, your spacing doesn't have to be as neat as what I'm doing it, or you can do it neater. That's entirely up to you. Just be aware that when you come to separating the seedlings out, the closer you put them together, the more awkward it is going to be. So, how many have I put in here? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 in there. So that's spaced out about an inch apart. So what I'm going to do now is cover them over with some compost. About half a centimetre to a centimetre. It doesn't have to be exact either, so that ought to do it. And then we're going to water these in. Again, when you water them, make sure you give them a good old drink, but don't flood the compost out. These won't need watering until they've germinated, depending on where you keep them. Obviously if it does dry out, then you will need to water it, but just make sure it's moist at all times, otherwise the seeds won't germinate. But don't make it too wet that they start rotting. I'm going to label these as well. Always label your seeds after you've sown them. So here's a cucumber, Marketmore 76. How do you spell more? More. Marketmore 76. There we go. If you want to, good idea to put a date on there as well. I'm not going to, because obviously I've got the video to remind me of when I actually sowed the seeds. That's all there is to it, guys. And they'll probably germinate in about 3 or 4 days, I would have thought. Sometimes they come up in a couple of days, sometimes it can take more than a week. It depends on conditions, how much warmth you give them and that. These will be in the boiler room where it's nice and warm, but you can keep them anywhere warm. They don't need light until they've germinated, so on top of your fridge or behind your TV, somewhere nice and warm. Anyway, the second they germinate, put them on the brightest windowsill that you've got. Give them as much sun as you can. That's all there is to it, guys. So thanks a lot for watching. Thanks everyone who has subscribed. Thanks for all your great comments, and thanks for liking the video. I will catch you on the next episode. See you later.